We will be a national leader in terms of being prepared to respond to any kind of incidents.
To prevent and manage disturbances at our correctional facilities, MTC is adopting the Incident Command System, or ICS.
Because it's really important that we are prepared for any emergency. And it's the support from the top to the bottom, from the executive staff to the middle management to the line staff, that they understand how it works.
ICS grew out of the National Incident Management System and is recommended by nationally recognized incident response experts. ICS utilizes common language such as first responder, incident response commander, A-team, B-team, a staging area manager, and central control. In a nutshell, this is how it works. The first responder to arrive on the scene, not directly involved in the incident, must assume command and assess the situation. This person broadcasts what is called a brief initial report. Command can be transferred as the incident escalates. Resources are committed to the incident in a systematic way, starting with A-team responders. The A-team consists of those assigned to post which can immediately respond to an incident without having to secure inmates, tools, gates, and so forth. This is a rapid response team. The B-team can include non-custody staff members. They report to a staging area and leave the staging area when they receive a specific assignment. The staging area manager oversees the location and organizes staging area resources upon command. Central Control is the incident communication hub. Let's look at a drill conducted at the Otero County Prison Facility to see how ICS works. In the drill, a fight occurs in education. An officer sees the fight taking place and immediately takes command of the situation.
Officer Navarrete to Central Control, be advised we have a fight. I repeat,
He reports to Central Control, asking for A-team. Central Control dispatches A-team and a supervisor.
What do we got?
Once the supervisor arrives, he assumes command and decides to activate a staging area, where the staging area manager and the B-team report. He instructs the A-team to stop the fight, as he determines he needs B-team to contain the offenders not involved in the fight and dispatches them to the scene to back up A-team. Both teams enter the classroom and perform their assigned tasks. The incident ends, and shortly thereafter, all parties involved meet to critique and discuss their response.
But as far as your communication, that was well through Central. I like how Central was echoing back all the information.
All throughout the incident management, commands and reports are specific and repeated.
I arrived on the scene at the classroom. I am now in command.
Understood, Sergeant Alredo, you are now in command.
This enables all listening to Central Control to hear exactly what is being communicated and to follow the transfer of command. All communication is in plain language.
I am assuming command at this moment.
It also puts the empowerment of line staff into a whole new spectrum, and as far as incidents go. You know, it offers the line staff to make that decision right from the get-go instead of just waiting for that manager, that supervisor, or that warden to arrive and take over the scene.
It's very important that our staff are trained in this system, because they all will be part of it. You got the leaders that will guide them through it, but they're the ones that are going to be first responders to any situation, and they're the ones that are going to have to make the first call for the safety of themselves and the safety of others.
The Incident Command System is being implemented at every MTC-operated facility. There will be simulations, exercises, and drills of ICS preparedness, keeping ICS a part of every facility's day-to-day operation.
So it allows us to have consistent policy, consistent training, consistent practice so that our staff are prepared. We know that in managing any facility, managing any incident, we want to contain it in a way that protects life, protects those who are part of our facilities, and also protects property. And this gives us, I think, the really clear legitimacy. We have an established protocol to manage any kind of disturbance within our facility.
Once our staff and our employees and even the population, our offenders, get a taste of the way we're responding to things and the way we're handling any incident in an organized manner. Once they get a little taste of that, they're gonna understand, you know, okay, we're doing this in a more organized fashion. We're doing it with the safety of everyone in mind. We're also doing it with the intention to make sure that our installations, our facilities are not damaged. We're ahead of that curve.
I support ICS 100% because we always have to be prepared and trained for the smallest to the biggest emergency situation. Something's going to happen sooner or later. I mean, that's a given. So we got to be ready for it.